In this video, we listed the 5 best dry irons that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Classic Steam Iron. The BLACK+DECKER 1100-volt appliance is a reliable and easy-to-use kitchen essential designed for everyday convenience. Built with a durable combination of plastic and metal, it delivers consistent performance while remaining lightweight and practical for daily use. With 1100 watts of power and 120 V support, it heats up quickly and gets the job done efficiently. The auto shutoff feature adds an extra layer of safety, making it ideal for busy households. Finished in a sleek black design and engineered for long-lasting durability, this BLACK+DECKER product offers dependable performance from a trusted brand. Perfect for users who want simplicity, safety, and efficiency in one compact appliance. Number 2. Proctor Silex Steam Iron 114250. The Proctor Silex Steam Iron is a reliable and powerful choice for everyday garment care, designed to handle a wide range of fabrics including cotton, nylon, and wool. It features a durable stainless steel sole plate that glides smoothly over clothes, while the precision tip makes it easy to reach tight areas like collars and seams. With 1500 watts of power, the iron delivers strong, high-velocity steam to quickly remove stubborn wrinkles, even from heavy fabrics such as linen and canvas. For added safety and peace of mind, the 3-way auto shutoff system turns the iron off if it's left unattended or tipped over, and it reactivates easily with movement. The iron is also practical and user-friendly, thanks to its large water opening for easy filling, and an 8-foot retractable cord that provides flexibility during use and neat storage afterward. Overall, it combines performance, safety, and convenience in a compact gray and black design. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Iron and Garment Steamer. The Hamilton Beach Steam Iron is a durable and efficient ironing solution designed for smooth, everyday performance. Featuring a heavy-duty stainless steel sole plate, it glides effortlessly over all types of fabrics, from crisp cotton shirts to denim and delicate synthetics, while resisting scratches and wear over time. The iron heats up in less than a minute, reducing waiting time and allowing you to tackle wrinkles quickly and evenly. For added convenience, the 8-foot retractable cord provides ample reach during use and neatly retracts for easy storage. With versatile steam options, including spray, steam blast, and vertical steaming for hanging garments, it adapts to different ironing needs without requiring an ironing board. The adjustable steam control lets you switch from powerful steam for stubborn creases to dry ironing for delicate fabrics, making this modern black iron with a stainless steel sole plate a practical and reliable choice for any home. Number 4. Newbealer Dual Voltage Travel Iron. The Newbealer version 2.0 travel iron is an ultra-compact and lightweight solution designed for quick touch-ups on the go. Weighing just 0.8 toulomes and measuring 63 inches, it easily fits into carry-ons or toiletry bags while remaining airline compliant. Powered by 300 watts with 100-240 V auto voltage, it heats up 15% faster than older dual voltage models and is ready to use in about 60 seconds, making it ideal for urgent wrinkle fixes during travel. The diamond ceramic sole plate provides smooth, consistent heat and is more scratch-resistant than steel, allowing safe use on delicate fabrics like silk and linen, while the precision shape reaches collars, cuffs, and buttons. Designed for dry ironing only, it features a collapsible handle, a stable silicone stand, and travel-friendly accessories including a spray bottle, silicone mat, and zippered carry bag. Perfect for travelers, dorms, cruises, RVs, and light crafting needs, this mini iron delivers convenience and portability, though it's best suited for small garments and quick touch-ups rather than daily or heavy-duty ironing. Number 5. VITASUNHOW Heavyweight Dry Iron. The VITASUNHOW electric iron is a versatile and efficient ironing solution built for both household and specialized applications. With 1,000 watts of power and an adjustable temperature control dial, it allows precise heat settings for a wide range of fabrics, including synthetic, polyester, wool, cotton, hemp, and silk. An intelligent temperature indicator enhances safety by signaling when the iron reaches the optimal temperature and automatically cutting power if overheating occurs. The high-temperature-resistant stainless steel sole plate provides a smooth, consistent glide for effective wrinkle removal, while the ergonomic, heat-resistant handle and elliptical base design make it easy to maneuver around collars, cuffs, and even curtains. Designed for versatility, it's suitable for everyday ironing as well as industrial tasks, decals, and heat transfer projects. Available in 2 weight options, it offers the choice between a heavier model for deeper pressing power or a lighter version for comfortable, fatigue-free handling.